Check out this Dodge 2015 Dart SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 200 AM/FM CD MP3, air conditioning, rear window defroster and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.